here at Saskatoon North Hyundai. Just in today, the 2021 Hyundai Elantra Preferred. Check it out, guys. This thing is amazing. It's loaded with tons of standard features, even a built-in remote start, wireless, that's right, wireless, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. This thing even has a little push button, so you can just jump into your backup camera, how James Bond-ish, right? This car is so good looking, guys. You have to see it in person. Come check it out. You won't be disappointed. We got 4 of them in stock right now, and why not be the first to drive this beautiful car away? The interior of this thing is fully redesigned. Absolutely beautiful interior. Very luxurious look. Tons of great standard safety features. For more information, give us a call at 1306-664-6767.